Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a mouth puppet. This origami is relatively easy to do and you only need a square of paper to do it. You can vary the colors, creating several different results. Well, in this video I'll use 20 by 20 centimeters, 8 by 8 inches, one side red, the other pink. With the red side facing up, the result would be something like this. And with the red side facing down, more or less this result. So I want only the mouth to be red. So in this position I'll first test to fold in half diagonally. So bring one corner to the other and make a crease. Now in this position we need to divide the same fold into 3. You can use a ruler to measure this, or just bend the paper like a letter S. And once done, flatten, leaving it well aligned. Now we have 2 marks that we can use as guides. Using the first one on the right, let's fold a complete line, bringing the paper to the left. Unfold and do the same on the other side. Now let's bring one side to the middle and fold this triangle in half. So bring the corner down, reinforce, and fold the new fold in half as well. Now fold the corner to the top, reinforce again, and fold one more time in half. Now bring it to the side. The right side is ready for now. Let's repeat the same steps on the left. So, fold the triangle in half one time, then again a second time on the new fold, and one last time folding to the middle. Right. For the next step we can unfold the last steps and open the paper. Completely unfold. In this position, first in the top, let's fold the paper down using the first horizontal. Then let's fold the paper up using the second. We have a triangle. Undo the last step, and on the same triangle we are going to create 2 new diagonals, taking the edges to the horizontal line just above. First the left side, just like this. And then the right side, connecting in the middle. Okay, now that we have this, we fold the bottom corner to the point where these lines meet. Make it really sharp. Now using the same lines, we need to fold both sides up at the same time, creating this result. Right, unfold the top, and repeat the same steps on the bottom side, but now the opposite. Bring the paper up on the first horizontal, then down on the second just to reinforce the triangle. Fold both diagonals, fold the corner, and close both sides. Now that both sides are ready, we have to close each one, starting with the colored part, in my case red. Just close the middle like this. Repeat on the other side. Keep it closed. And then close the other two sides over that. Keep the paper in this position. And here we need to fold a new horizontal on the same line as the middle layers. Fold the extra paper up, making a rectangle. And then fold the same rectangle in half. Okay, the first side is ready, let's turn it over and repeat on the other. First, fold down making the horizontal. Then the triangle up, making a rectangle. And the rectangle in half. Our moving mouth puppet is ready! You just have to pull the tabs and the mouth closes. Push in the middle and the mouth opens. A very nice and, in my opinion, very easy origami. I hope you like it, remember to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Thank you very much for watching, see you next time!